All right, just got our dog cone. Now this one came out compact, but look at this. There's actually a pump in there, the actual system that goes around the actual neck. So besides the main cone, you actually have the inflatable part of the neck cone, all right? And of course, we have a dog here waiting for us to put this on because he's used to these. He gets ear infections all the time. We take him to the vet and they put this in here. And this is a different version. This is actually compact. So because I do own the larger ones, this is actually a little bit better because you can put it away for emergency. So let's inflate it and put it together. Of course, because we have the pump, and look at this. It has very soft layers, all right? So you don't have to worry about your dog choking or anything. All right, so this part right here, if you guys can see, this is the Velcro that sticks in together. Zipper goes all around the entire unit, all right? There you go. Look at this. It's a large size, big cone. So I'm gonna show you guys how big it is. This is Toby, if you guys can see. So this is the cone that goes all around him, and he's pretty good. It's very comfortable with him. He's not actually fighting or anything. Actually, he enjoys stuff like this. He's a really good boy when it comes out to cones. So you could even pull on the string here if you want, make it a little tighter. But look at this. Looks great on him too. And he's going to be able to come in the dog door in and out because these are flexible and they flex pretty good, so you don't have to worry about that. Great to keep around with you. Disinflate for emergencies and just keep it around. So very simple. Look at this. Give me 5, Toby. Shake. Shake. He can't shake with that. He can't even shake. Great dog. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.